Hello YouTube, another quick video. Today we will be looking at a Bluetooth speaker which is specific, will be the JBL Charge 4. Now this is the next step after the Charge 3. It was released in the fall of 2018. It's available on Amazon, Best Buy, and any of your online electronic shops. Major difference between the JBL Charge 3 and Charge 4. The Charge 3 has two drivers, and the Charge 4 has only one. And then the other thing is the Charge 3 has a lower capacity battery, and the Charge 4 has a larger capacity battery. They both claim to give 20 hours of uninterrupted music. You can use both to charge your devices. There's a USB out in the back. But make sure you note this: the Charge 4 does not come with a power brick. So you need to provide your own power brick to charge the Charge 4. The Charge 4 also uses USB-C for charging, so it doesn't do what the Charge 3 does. That's have use a USB, a micro USB for charging. One other thing, the Charge 4 comes with JBL Connect Plus, and the Charge 3 has only the regular JBL Connect. No, there's a technology that can allow you to connect up to 100 speakers. There's some information out there that you can upgrade the Charge 3 to have the JBL Connect Plus. So we bring out a buck knife, which we're gonna use to open up the box, see the contents. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. The packaging is actually smaller for the Charge 4, but the JBL Charge 4 size-wise is actually bigger than the Charge 3. Prices have gone a bit lower from when I bought it. I bought it a couple of months ago, but I just didn't have time to unbox it. Today you can have it for about $121 on Amazon Prime, compared to $87 for the Charge 3. So it's a very nice box. Everything is tight and compact in there, and there you go. By the way, this is the parent company of JBL is called Harman, and Harman is actually owned by Samsung. So the JBL is actually is owned and made by Samsung through one of their subsidiaries called Harman. So that's what it looks like. The build quality is just impressive. It weighs about close to 3 pounds, I would say. Depends on whom you ask. They'll give you different weights. Yeah, but it's listed as weighing it's 3 pounds, and it feels about right because it's very substantial when you have it in your hand. In there you have a little package there in the back, which I'm pulling out right now, and in there you have the USB-C cable and a little quick start guide and some documentation. That's the cable in there. I'll pull it out. So that's what it looks like. That's the USB-C cable. And then there's some other documentation in there. I should also state that while we have the time and we're rolling this film, that the frequency range for the Charge 4 is 60 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. So some people don't like it because it has just that single driver. If you have the charge sitting in front of you and you're facing it directly like that, the driver is actually a little bit to the right. It's going to be to the right of that JBL sign, the little red sign. so it is not centered. It's very beautiful speaker to look at. Comes in 10 different colors. The JBL Charge 3 came in 5 different colors, and the Charge 4, you have the option to get 10 different colors, and they are very bright, beautiful colors. There you have the passive bass speakers on either side. You have the JBL sign, and it's very well built speaker. On top you have the power button, the Bluetooth, plus minus for volume, and then the connect on the left. So here we have the power cord plugged in. That's what it looks like on the side that goes in the speaker. Straight out of the box, it's gonna have some charge, about 3 bars or 4 bars. And there you go, it's starting out. It's searching. See the Bluetooth flashing. So we'll go ahead and plug it in so it starts charging. In the center there, you can see a line in, that you can use for, I would say, if you have an alternate sound source, you can use that. So we have everything plugged in there. We're charging our Bluetooth speaker right now. It has a little pad. After a while it goes dark, you won't have those lights down there, and to find out how much charge you have, you just have to briefly touch the power button and it will show you, indicate how much juice you have left in the lithium battery. So another thing about this is it's IPX7 waterproof. What that means is you can put it in water for 1 meter for 30 minutes and it should be okay. So there we have the Bluetooth. We're connecting up. It shows that I'm connected to the JBL 4, and I'm gonna choose the sound output for my computer to be the JBL Charge 4. So now we're all set to go ahead and pick some songs and try them out. I will use the proprietary songs from YouTube, that way I don't get dinged. But my internet connection is not the best, so you will hear some distortion in the sound when it starts playing back. So what's my verdict? Well, the sound between the Charge 3 and the Charge 4 is very close, but if you have the means, get the Charge 4. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to come back and check for additional videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.